this is an update on our Arduino home security project. A lot has changed since the last update. Biggest change probably is that I added a Raspberry Pi to the system. This circuit over here is the Arduino, and it's running the code that parses out the keypad bus. This is wired up like a standard keypad with 4 wires, and this module will decode the serial communication. It's not quite standard serial, it's pretty close, and it will take all the bits out of each hexadecimal thing and figure out what it's supposed to mean, and then re-encode everything in JSON, human readable JSON. Then it sends that JSON out over the standard hardware serial, the UART chip, and the Raspberry Pi picks up that serial. Now the Raspberry Pi has a number of background processes running on it and a beanstalk queue. So there's one process that just reads everything coming off the serial and figures out what type of message it is, and then puts it into a beanstalk queue matching that type. And there's other workers that will listen to those types and figure out what it should do to those messages, put them back in to different communication channels. Now, the one communication channel I have right now is a Google Hangout, and so anytime an alarm happens, it will call out to Google Hangout and give me an update. It works much faster than SMS. This circuit over here is a step-down converter. Now this is a DC to DC step-down converter, and I've added 4 diodes to make it AC because this power unit for the panel outputs 16 volt AC current at 40 amps. So I couldn't find an AC to DC that would match that. I couldn't find an AC converter that would match 16 volts. There are 12 volts for cars, or 120 volts for the wall. And I wasn't sure if the 120 would work at 16. It's pretty low, so I got DC to DC, converted that to AC. Now this is just hooked, it's piggybacking right onto the wall outlet, so it's directly pulling current from the wall unit. So I can give a quick demo of the Google chat. Well, let's see, right now I gotta arm the system, and the countdown's about 30 seconds here. So let me put my phone. You'll see how fast this is. I don't know if you can see my phone. I got I'm having a conversation with my unit, the tank, and you can already see that it's set alarm. But I'm going to, as soon as this is all ready to go, I'm going to simulate someone opening a window or a door by short-circuiting these 2 nodes right here. Now watch the phone. Let's see if I can get them both in. Here's my short circuit. And there's the alarm. Now I'm getting it twice. I don't really know why. I'm going to have to debug that, but this is where I'm at with the project right now. If this sort of stuff interests you, you can go look at the project page, sign up, leave a comment with anything you want to see. Do you want to see maybe SMTP? Maybe you want to run your own email server and get notifications that way. I like this Google chat. It's instant. It's really fast. It's always on. And that's it.